Want to undo changes in Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to roll back your edits step by step so you never have to worry about messing things up while designing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, then go to All Pages. Here, choose any page you want to work on. For example, I selected the example page and clicked on Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, you can start editing any section on the page. Let's say you've made some changes, but now want to undo them. Click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner. Then select History. In the History panel, go to the Actions tab. You'll see a list of all your recent edits. Just click on the step you want to revert to, and Elementor will take your design back to that state. That's it, your changes are undone. Also, if you want a quick shortcut, just press Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on Mac on your keyboard to instantly undo your last action. So, ready to design like a pro? For web design, Elementor is really my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.